Hare Krishna. Lord Jagannath's pastimes with Ramanujacharya. Ramanujacharya visited Puri in the 12th century. Ramanujacharya is the founder Acharya of the Sri Sampradaya. He was a great Vaishnava Acharya and also famous as very learned personality. He preached the doctrine Vishishta Advaitavad and vigorously opposed the teachings of Sankaracharya. At that time, King Choda Gangadeva ruled the state of Orissa. Ramanuj had much influence over the king. Ramanuj recognized Lord Jagannath as Mahavishnu. He saw that the Lord was being worshipped with the mixture of different processes. He was concerned that low caste people, such as Daitapatis, could take part in offering puja. Ramanuj argued that Lord Jagannath should be worshipped with the Vedic process only. He wanted to change the process of puja in Jagannath Puri. He presented many changes to the king and made him agree to his proposals. Jagannath Sevaks objected to the new system, but the king would not listen to their appeals. Finally, the date was fixed for Ramanuj to change the puja process in Jagannath temple. The king and all the Brahmins arrived at the temple in the early morning. They announced that from that day, a new system of worship would be introduced by the great Acharya Ramanuj. Everyone, including the king, waiting anxiously at the temple for the arrival of Ramanujacharya. But he never showed. After waiting for a long time, the king ordered the pujari to start the worship of Lord Jagannath according to the previous system. Then the king ordered his minister to find Ramanujacharya. It was discovered that during the previous night, while Ramanujacharya was sleeping, Lord Jagannath appeared to him. The Lord chastised him. "Who are you to change my puja system? Let my devotees worship me as they have been worshipping me from the beginning. They are my special devotees. I have a special relationship with them. You do not understand this. Do not disturb them. Get out of here." The Lord flew Ramanuj out of Orissa by the help of Garuda. The next day, Ramanuj was found in South India in a village called Kurmakshetra. Thank you. For more videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hare Krishna.